Think I'm bad as hell, I got his shoes out of line. Saying tomorrow I do the dishes never come. Easy bake, easy wake up on. Just give as much as you take, forget.
What's up, you guys? I am being ambitious and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited to be giving you guys my third installment to my how-to series. I've been thinking, like, I don't want you guys to get bored with the content from my channel, so please let me know in the comments if you guys are actually enjoying these how-to series. I promise you, as I stated in my introduction video, I will be giving you guys fashion. I will be giving you guys more vlogging, but right now the videos that I've been pumping out have been videos that girls have asked me about for forever before I even started my YouTube channel. And I was like, you know what, I want to give them what they asked me for prior. So this is like back orders. But I promise you, I have so much more in store. I've been thinking about DIY videos, and I think you guys will really enjoy those. Stick with me. And oh girl, yeah, look, since I got my hair done for the last video, girl, I got myself crochet put in. I'm really excited because like I can do different stuff with this hair. And this is Kima Ocean Wave. It was in a 20-inch, but I got it cut down into a 14, just so it'll be more appropriate for work, quote unquote, you know what I'm saying? I try to you know, keep a hairstyle that, like, when I'm at work I can wear it, it looks professional, but when I get off of work, if I want to slick it up like this and, you know, talk like that, I can. And it's, you know, it's a good style that I can do different stuff with. For all that being said, let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. So usually I would like do a voiceover, but I'm gonna do something different. Since this is what my third how-to, so I'm gonna actually talk you guys through this versus recording the video and then doing a voiceover. So cross my fingers that this actually works. But yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so as always, I have my mirror here, right here in front of me. Literally the only product that you're going to need is your choice of eyeliner. I love NYX, like NYX or NYX, whatever you decide to call it, sis. You know, I go back and forth. Sometimes I call it NYX, sometimes I call it NYX. You know, it's whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the NYX matte liquid eyeliner in black. What I love about this eyeliner is that it's so good for beginners, right? Because look at this tip, very thin. I mean, you can get really precise. So with wing eyeliner, just like whatever with any other makeup that you can do it as dramatic as you want it, you can do it as subtle as you want it. It just depends on you. Now usually what I like to do is I just like to keep it in between my eyebrow and my lower lash line. So maybe like right here, I usually keep mine right to that state right there. Actually, where my eye folds at, that's where I like to keep my eyeliner. So what you're gonna do is, where your lower lash line is, you're gonna use that as your guide, okay? And from here to here, that's exactly what you're gonna do. Every time that you are getting ready to do your wing eyeliners, always start with your lower lash line being your guide, okay? And like I said, this tip is very precise, so I like to use as less product as I can. When you use less product as you can, that will avoid you making, you know, huge mistakes and getting really shaky. Now make sure that you're taking your time when you do this. You know, be slow. It's a process. If you go in there trying to do it real quick, you're gonna mess up, okay? So make sure that you are taking your time, like I said, anything else that you do. Also, when you're holding your liner, don't grip it, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't do that, because that also messes you up. Be soft with anything that you're doing. That's also with like blending. You're gonna make sure that you're holding the brush or the eyeliner at the very end and just being really gentle, okay? So the first thing that I'm gonna do is take my eyeliner. I am using my lower lash line as a guide, and I'm slowly gonna flick it up. Simple. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you can see that. See? Fairly simple, all right? Now, the next thing that you're gonna do is, depending on how large you want your wing liner to be, that's how large you're gonna draw that line connecting the bottom of this line here to your inner eyelashes there, okay? I'm just gonna go for like a little subtle look, so mine won't be as large. Okay, so again, holding that liner really lightly, we are going to just take a line from here to there, okay? Now, you don't want to start drawing your line at the very end of your wing like that. That's not what you want to do. Kind of come in just a few little centimeters over, and then start your line. Okay? Simple, right? Then, now that you got your line here and they're both connected, literally the next step that you do is just filling it in. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so now that we got that going, now we're gonna go in our inner eyeliner and just draw a thin line connecting this inner portion of our wing liner to here. And to do this best, I always make sure that I go above my lashes, because if you try to go in like that, your lashes will literally get in the way. All right, I got you guys zoomed in here, and literally, ladies, this is my wing eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and complete my look, and then I will be right back. All right, you guys, so that is it. I'm back now. I got all my eyelashes and everything. I promise you, when it comes to eyeliner, like, it's literally a 3-step process, okay? Just use your lower lash as a guide, and I promise you, you'll do great. All right, we're gonna just quickly throw that little line up there, shoot it into the inside of your lashes, fill it in there, fill the line that's from the inside of your lashes to the corner of your lashes, and you're done. That's literally it. Don't think too far into it, because when you start thinking too far into it, you won't do it. And as I always say, practice, 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 okay? Because that's what's gonna really help you get your eyeliner together how you want it. So, lashes and everything. Actually, I want to show you guys these lashes. These are the Eyeliner lashes. Am I saying that right? Eyeliner. I don't know, sis. They're in the number 120, but I really enjoy these. These are different from my previous lashes, like the hair store lashes. So yeah, they're a little heavy for me, but I like them. They're cute, you know what I'm saying? I think I got these on sale from Ulta, and you guys, Ulta is like the go-to place. All right, like, Ulta has high-end products as well as low-end products, and I love that about them, and they always have really good sale. And I caught these on sale. That's how I was able to get these. So that is it for me today, you guys. If you like this video, as always, please thumbs up, and you guys, please make sure that you share this video. Comment down below if you enjoyed it. Comment down below any other videos that you like to see from me, and make sure that if you're subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit that notification bell, so that as soon as I upload a video, if you're really excited to see me and all, which I really hope you are, that notification bell will allow you to know exactly when I have posted a video. All right, so until next time, I will see you guys then. Bye.